Hi everyone, bonjour à tous! The channel reached 10,000 subscribers recently and I just want to say thank you so very much. Welcome if you just joined us, and thank you to every person who followed this channel from the start and to everyone that came along on the way. Sharing together this passion that we have for sewing and for beautiful handmade craft, as well as sharing the joy and excitement one feels when we create, makes me so happy, and I am thrilled to be able to share these special moments with you all. Of course, I have many ideas for the future of this channel, in particular my series of tutorials on basic block patterns created for knits as well as woven fabrics. They will allow us later on to create more special garments with simple or more advanced modifications using both draping and tracing techniques. I will also continue to alternate these couture tutorials with easier and quicker projects. This way, beginners will have plenty of videos to enjoy and to learn from. Furthermore, I have this dream that our days will finally have 48 hours instead of 24, so I could also offer more tutorials useful for our everyday life, such as hemming pants, sewing buttons, curtains, nightgowns, or even a headboard for that matter. I have already received many suggestions and requests that are usually related to the following subjects. How to choose a good sewing machine? Is it useful to own a dress form and how to find one to your size? What tools and supplies are necessary as a beginner? Since I receive these questions often, I will address them very soon. But in the meantime, don't be shy and tell me everything in the comments section. What do you need and how can I help you? Also, I suggest that you read in the comments the questions and ideas that might already be written there and that you add a like to your favorites. This way I will know which one are the most requested and therefore the most needed and useful. If it is something that I know how to sew or create, I won't hesitate to make a tutorial to guide you. Dear friends, once again, welcome to this channel. I hope you'll feel happy and well there, and I wish you the very best during these difficult times. Bye bye! À bientôt!